I went through such a trial by fire on my very first thing, Wet Hot American Summer, where it poured rain every single day.
Almost every day when you're filming that, right?
Daylight exterior, short, low budget shoot. It's supposed to be a nice day. It all takes place in one sunny day and it's pouring rain all day. And so it was the ultimate daily, like, what the fuck are we going to do situation. And I learned then it's like to let go of what's out of your control, focus on what solutions might be in front of you and just do it. And somehow on set with that structure, I thrive, where you don't have to think about what am I going to do today. You've got to get up and do it.